Hello everyone. We will discuss about focus and discipline, two skills that decide the direction of your life. In a world full of noise, notifications, and endless distractions, focus has become rare. And discipline? Discipline has become uncomfortable. But here's the truth. Focus is a skill, discipline is a choice, and both can be built. Most people think focus is something you are born with. They believe successful people are naturally focused. That is a lie. Focus is trained. Just like a muscle. Every time you sit down to work, even when your mind wants to escape, you are training focus. Every time you resist distraction, you become stronger. Let's talk about why most people fail. It's not because they are lazy. It's not because they are not smart. It's because their attention is scattered. They start many things, but finish nothing. They work, but their mind is somewhere else. A distracted mind cannot create a disciplined life. Focus means giving your full attention to one thing at a time. Not multitasking, not switching between apps, not checking your phone every minute. Just one task, one moment, one direction. Even 10 minutes of deep focus is more powerful than 1 hour of distracted work. Now let's talk about discipline. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is not suffering. Discipline is self-respect. It is choosing what you want most over what you want now. It is doing the work even when you don't feel like it. Because feelings change, but discipline stays. Motivation is temporary. Some days you feel excited. Some days you don't. If you wait for motivation, you will be inconsistent. Discipline is what carries you on days when motivation disappears. That is why discipline beats motivation every single time. So how do we build discipline? Start small. Very small. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. 10 minutes of focused work every day is better than one perfect day and 6 days of excuses. Small actions, done daily, build powerful habits. Another important rule, remove distractions before blaming yourself. If your phone is next to you, you will check it. If social media is open, you will scroll. Discipline becomes easier when the environment supports you. Design your environment to protect your focus. Now comes the most powerful shift. Stop saying, I want to be disciplined. Start saying, I am a disciplined person. Identity shapes behavior. When discipline becomes part of who you are, your actions change naturally. You don't force yourself. You simply act according to your identity. There will be days when you fail. You will lose focus. You will skip work. That's normal. Discipline is not about being perfect. It's about returning quickly, fall once. Stand up immediately. That is real strength. Remember this, success does not come from big moments. It comes from quiet, boring, daily actions that no one applauds. Working when no one is watching. Practicing in silence. Improving little by little. Focus is built by doing one thing at a time. Discipline is built by showing up every day. No excuses. No drama. Just progress. Work in silence. Let results make the noise. If you want more content that builds focus, discipline, and a strong mindset, please subscribe to Focus and Discipline. This journey is not easy, but it is worth it.